Good morning. I thought I'd take you on a little tour of Miss Daisy so you could see where she's at for my Mawvelous renovation. So good morning. Nice to see you all. We'll go into my Miss Daisy and you can have a little look where I'm at. So I've emptied everything out inside and I've started first coat of paint on the uppers. You may have seen the bathroom door. It's in my kitchen right now. It got art attacked with lots of flower painting. And then I've started the uppers on the top cabinets. And then today I'm going to keep going and get those lowers are going to be in the turquoise. And then over here is where eventually there'll be a table and chairs and a comfortable chair. So there you have it. Thank you, and I look forward to keeping you in the loop of my fun renovation.